baby, this country living made me think I never wanna see the light. Yeah, we talk slow, most of us poor, but I think I found paradise. Now, baby, this country living made me think I never wanna see the light. Yeah, we talk slow.
Alright, I've got an EPI severe duty belt here, and a lot of people have had mixed emotions about the EPI severe duty belt for a Viking. The reason being is, if you read right here in the arrows, it says on the instructions, point forward towards the cab to the front of the vehicle. Well, the thing about a Viking is, on a Yamaha, is the belts actually run backwards. They run to the rear of the vehicle because they're different than K&M's, Polaris. They're different from other manufacturers. They actually run the belt direction going forward, not towards the rear. So with that being said, if you get a Viking, you get an EPI belt, make sure you point the arrows towards the rear, because even the Yamaha belt that comes from the manufacturer has the arrows pointing towards the rear. So with that being said, you want to make sure your arrows are pointing to the rear when you go put it back on. Because if you don't, the way they design these belts is they design them to run a certain way. Well, they want them to go in the direction of the clutch going. They don't want them going in a different direction, an opposite direction, because it will wear out the life of your belt, it will tear it up, and it will break. So, where EPI's instructions are incorrect, you want to run it in the direction that the belt actually goes. Like on a Viking, it goes to the rear. On a Polaris K&M, it goes to the front. So, just to clarify that, on putting on an EPI belt. And this is again an EPI severe duty belt that I'm installing brand new.